First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 8 on the topic box arrangement, so now we are going to solve a question that is on set number 7. So friends, before watching this lesson number 8, don't forget to watch all my previous lesson. So starting from lesson number 1. So lesson number 1, introduction about box arrangement, and then initially we have solved 5 sets of basic level, and then from set number 6 we started solving some of the difficult level questions. So don't forget to watch all my box arrangement puzzle. So even don't forget to watch all my videos what I posted on my YouTube channel, because all are important for the competitive exams. So in case if you want to get watch all my YouTube videos offline, you can get the pen drive. Just WhatsApp us to know the details. You can get the pen drive and you can able to watch all my YouTube videos and offline. Got it? So now let me move on to set number 7 puzzle. So 7 boxes T to Z are filled with the different items, bandages, ointments, etc. So totally how many boxes are there? 7 boxes. 7 boxes which contain some of the different items such as bandages, ointments, etc. So always be careful, right? The first step is most important in the box puzzle, because what students used to do is they see that 7 boxes. So they usually what they do is they started writing the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't do that. Sometimes the bottommost box can be number 1, or else sometimes the topmost can be taken as number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, or else from the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So be careful, read the complete initial passage what they are saying and then write down the numbers. Got it? So next point is what? The box kept at the lowermost position is number 1. Just see the lowermost box which they have taken as number 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So friends, understood or not? Always this initial step is most important, because some students what they usually do is they start writing number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this and they solve the question. At the final point they came to know that the topmost box is number 7, not number 1. So the complete arrangement will be wrong and even you will be wasting 15 to 20 minutes of time. So that's the reason I am saying always be careful if you are going to solve a box arrangement. Check whether the bottommost box is number 1 or the topmost box is number 1. Understood or not? Okay friends, so now let me move on to the first point. So in case if we are getting possible, we can draw the diagram. So box Y is kept 4 boxes above the box with tablet, where the box with scissor is exactly in the middle between them. Just see the first point itself. It's little bit direct and little bit indirect statement was given, but what they are saying is box Y is kept 4 boxes above box with tablet. So let me do one thing. We can't able to fix here because we can fix tablet here, we can fix tablet here. There are many chances. So I can take it as a clue that there is a box which contains tablets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4th. This box what they are saying? Box Y. So box Y is kept 4 boxes. So this will be box Y. So box Y is kept 4 boxes above tablet, box which contain tablets, where the box with scissor is exactly middle between them. So between these 2 boxes, where the box scissor is exactly in the middle. So we know that middle should be in this position. So we can say that, so where tablet above 4th box is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th box is box Y. And between box Y and the box tablet, box which contain tablets, where the scissor box is exactly midway, right, middle. So finally we have drawn the diagram, but we don't want to fix in the arrangement because we will get more number of possibles. We can fix tablet here, we can fix tablet here, as well as we can fix tablet here. So don't go with that much of possibilities. Better let me keep the clue as it is and we can move on to the next points, right? So next point is what? Only 2 boxes are kept between box with scissor and the box X. So between the box X and the box scissor, there are 2 boxes, right? So we already fixed box scissor here. So 1 and 2, this can be box X, one possible, or else the box X can be at the bottom. So friends, understood or not, right? So in this diagram, the first possible diagram, we are getting 2 possibles. So between scissor and X, there are 2 boxes, right? Or else a box X can be at the bottom. So similarly, you can able to see between scissor and box X, there are 2 boxes. So there are 2 possible diagrams that we are getting. Still another point is remaining, which is not at the topmost position. The meaning is box X is not at the topmost position. So what we can do is we can draw the possible diagram itself. Why? Because we are in this first possible diagram, we are getting two possibles. So what I can do here is, we know that box X is not at the topmost. So box X, let me keep at the sixth position as box X. So below box X will be box Y. So below box Y, one vacant and then scissor. One vacant box and then a scissor. It's not vacant actually, we don't find it. So and then below scissor, one gap and then tablet. So below scissor, one gap and then tablet. So this will be the first possible. Second possible, where the box X can be at the bottom, right? So we can fix box X here. In case if I fix box X at the bottom, so this will be tablet. So one, and this will be a scissor, and this will be Y. So this is the second possible diagram. Understood or not? So in both the diagram, friends, where you can able to see between scissor and X, there is a gap of two boxes, as well as where the box X is not at the topmost position. Understood? So finally we drawn this one possible diagram which is divided into two. We have drawn the two possible diagram in the final arrangement, right? Okay, so let me move on to the remaining points. So we can solve slowly, right? Some students will think that you have to solve fastly. Yes, we have to solve fastly in the exam, but while learning, try to be very slow, right? So you have to increase your speed gradually. Only then you can able to solve the arrangement in the exams. While practicing, solve each and question gradually, right? After watching all my box arrangement puzzle, do one thing, right? After watching all my puzzle arrangements, again start from the beginning. You have to solve very fastly. Try to do that, right? So once you keep on practicing in this way, surely you can able to crack the arrangement in your exams. Don't worry about that, right? You can surely do. It requires practice. That's it. Okay, friends. So what is the next point remaining? As okay, as many boxes kept above box X as below with the tonic. So just see here. It's also which is kept two boxes away from box W. I think this is also a three-line sentence. What they are saying is, as many boxes kept below box X. So box X, below box X. Okay, so as below box is tonic. Okay. So what they are saying is, how many, let me see how many boxes are above box X. In this case one, above box X, how many boxes are there? Only one box. So now according to the statement, what they are saying is, as many boxes above box X should be same as below tonic. So here above box X there are only one box. So below tonic also there should be only one box. So we can say I should make tonic here. Only then we can say that above X only one box, below tonic there is only one box. Similarly, in this second possible diagram, above X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 boxes. So below tonic also there should be 6 boxes. So I should definitely fix tonic here. Only then we can say that. So below tonic 6 boxes, above X 6 boxes. In this case one, above X only one box. So below tonic only one box. Understood? So and then what they are saying is, which is kept 2 boxes away from box W. So away from box W which is kept. So I should fix box W here. So away from 2 boxes. Similarly I have fixed tonic here. Away from 2 boxes, this should be W. So friends, understood or not? So I can read that line again. As many boxes kept above box X as below with the box tonic, which is kept 2 boxes away from W. Understood or not? Which is kept, this tonic box is kept away from 2 boxes. Very interesting puzzle, right? The puzzle looks very simple, but you have to be very careful while reading the words, right? Each and every word is important here. So next point, box Z with ointment is kept at the odd number position. It's a direct statement, right? So box Z which contain ointment, and this box is kept at the odd number position. So 7 is an odd number position, we can keep Z and ointment. So 5 is an odd number, we can't able to keep Z here. 3, no chances, no chances. In this possible diagram, only chance that I should fix 7 and ointment, right? So let me move on to this area. So we can't able to fix ointment here. This is also not possible. 1, we already have X. So only 3 position is possible. So Z, this will be Z and ointment. Understood or not? So next point, friends, what they are saying. Box V is kept immediately above the box with the glove. So immediately above glove is box V. So this cannot be glove and this cannot be glove because already we have fixed tonic, scissor, everything here. In case if I fix glove here, this must be V. That is not possible. If I fix glove here, this must be V. If I fix glove here, this must be V. And there is no chance of fixing V. Only these three should be V. If I fix V here, immediately above glove should be V. We can't able to fix glove. So this complete possible diagram is wrong. So let me move on to this point. This can be glove and this can be V. One chance. Or else this can be glove and this can be V. Understood or not, right? Only two possibles. Glove or V, glove or V. Okay, but this complete diagram is wrong. So let me move on to the remaining points. And two boxes below box U. Just see here. So this box V is two boxes below box U. Then definitely I can say that we came to know that if I fix glove here, this will be V. If I fix V here, below U two boxes, we can't able to, it's ruled out of this arrangement, right? We can't able to fix U here. Only chance that this will be glove and this will be a V, right? Immediately above glove will be V and two box below. So this will be U. So only then you can say that. So 1 and 2, second box where the tablet V is fixed. I think we have fixed most of the things. X is glove, V is tablet, Z is ointment, U is scissor, and only one letter is remaining, that is T. So T will be tonic. Still two more items are remaining. What is the last point? The box with bandages is kept immediately below the box with mask. So what they are saying is immediately below the mask is bandages. So two places are remaining, which will be mask and this will be bandages. That's it, right? So tonic, mask, bandages, scissor, ointment, tablets and glove, right? So this will be the answer for set number 7 puzzle. So the puzzle seems to be, it's a memory based question. Actually this is one of the memory based question of bank exam, and where the arrangement looks very simple. But the thing here is each and every word of the sentence is very, very important, right? When you miss a single word, then the complete arrangement you will make, surely you will make a mistake. So friends, be careful while learning, right? While learning, you don't want to be that much faster. So try to learn very slowly and try to understand what they are saying and each and every word of the sentence, and then after getting strong on box arrangement, you know all the concepts, you know all the techniques to solve, and then try to watch again all my videos starting from 1 and try to solve your puzzle on your own. Don't watch the video, right? Just keep the video number 1, only the puzzle, look at the puzzle, try to solve it faster. Keep 2 minutes time, try to solve it. For the tough level puzzle, keep 3 minutes time and try to solve the puzzle. So once you do that repeatedly, you can surely crack the question in your exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. If you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So friends, thank you so much for watching it. Bye.